What's up, everyone? We're gonna teach you guys about how to do healthy snacks on the road. Dehydrating is one of my favorite ways of eating fruit at any point in time. Storage, long time. So basically, it was about 2-3 years ago. My mom got me a dehydrator for Christmas, and it happened to be one of the best gifts I've had in a while. And what you want to do is you want to cut kind of thin slices. Alright, this is the dehydrator that I have here. It's a Nesco. For fruit, there's different temperatures of whether you're doing jerky or fruit or other things. 135 degrees Fahrenheit is a perfect fruit temperature for about 10 hours. I mean, obviously thicker slices, they're going to take longer. And you don't need to have any sort of butter or any kind of spray. So of all fruit that I've done over the years, it's kiwi. That's my favorite. I like to keep the rind on, and what it does is gives you a little bit of a gummy. It stays as a little chewy ordeal in your mouth for a little while. This is a little technique that I taught to cut bananas. You want to do cut it while you're in the skin. It allows you to have it all in your hand right there so that you can just bloop, bloop, bloop. So over the first few years that I owned this guy, I was only dehydrating fruit. Then I realized I could make my own fruit roll-ups. See that little bubble? See the bubble? I got a couple bubbles now. Kiwi, apple, banana, fruit roll-ups.
Amazing.